I'd like to talk to you about A-level biology at Queen's College. Now the course we do is a Salters Nuffield EdXL course, which is very different to normal biology A-levels that you might take. Our course is something called Context-led. And that means rather than your traditional GCSE course, for example, where all the topics are muddled up together, this course relies on a human example to lead you through all the different topics that we're going to be teaching you. So the best thing for me to do is to give you an example. When you start at Queen's in Year 12, our first topic is all about heart disease. You learn a story about a man in his 50s who has suffered from terrible heart condition, been very, very poorly, but he does recover. And through understanding his story, we get to see, first of all, how does the heart work normally. We have a look at what particular conditions could he have suffered from, for example, thrombosis, atheroma, and other different cardiovascular diseases. We then have a look at why was it him, what particular aspects of his lifestyle might have led him to have an increased risk. We consider things such as genetics, we have a look at gender, lifestyle choices, so for example diet, we look at obesity, we have a look at high blood pressure, and then we put it all together to have a look at what particular treatments did he have. So we have a look at things such as beta blockers, diuretics to reduce his blood pressure, and even dietary modifications such as taking more antioxidants. Throughout the course, you also undergo a number of core practicals. These are fantastic opportunities to get you ready for university study. So although we talk you through and help you through the first few, eventually you get more confidence, and we give you a little bit more opportunity to choose which practicals you are going to do. So going back to our heart disease example, we have a look at the levels of vitamin C in certain foods and whether you can boost your antioxidant levels through which type of cooking techniques you might take with your food, and even which type of fruit juices you have. So that's the first chapter that we do in Year 12, and we cover a huge range of different chapters. We have a look at sport and exercise, we have a look at the brain and behaviour, we do ecology and global warming, and we also spend a lot of time looking at cell biology, biochemistry and genetics. So a really huge range of different topics which anybody who is interested in biology will be able to find something that particularly fascinates them. In terms of how you're taught the course, so you'll have two teachers. We teach two different chapters at the same time, so one teacher teaches chapter 1 whilst the other one's teaching chapter 2. And we teach you you'll have 10 hours over 2 weeks, and that's 5 hours with each teacher. So if you'd like to know more about studying biology at Queen's, please drop me an email.